Welcome back. In this video, you'll be creating Jasmine's work history. Some things to keep in mind: do not go back more than 10 years. If you have work experience that is over 10 years old and relevant to the job you are applying to, then you can add it in under another section called Relevant Work History. Make sure you use complete statements when describing your job responsibilities and start the statement with an action verb. Examples are coordinated, supervised, created, etc. For jobs you currently hold, use present tense. For jobs you've held in the past, use past tense. So for Jasmine, she has two jobs to add into this section. One she currently holds and one she held in the past. So first we're going to bold the heading, work history, make it 12 size font, and add in the line consistent with the other lines we used for the other sections. So we have the employer name, where they're located, her job title, which we're going to bold and italicize, the date she started, and current, because she's currently there, we add present. We're going to add in some bullets so that it's easier to read and add them, push them over so they match the other bullets. And do the same thing for the math and writing. So for this one, trying to describe what you did at this job, think about what you did and how it helped the company or employer or the customer. We started with present tense action verbs, so process, keep, rotate, and train. And for her tutoring job, it was in the past, so we use past action verbs, which are tutored, provided, and connected. If you have experience that's over 10 years old, you can put relevant work history section here. Same thing, bold it, add the line. But for her, she does not have relevant work history that is over 10 years old.